Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, November 23rd. We have a huge new selection for you today from QT Fabrics. This is an entire blender collection called Rapture. There are 80 bolts of fabric here, and I want you to just come on in and look closely at all the different shades of colors we have. And over here on the side, you can see all the greens. So whatever color you are searching for, you're very likely to find it in the Rapture collection. I'm also going to pull down a couple of bolts just so you see the detail on the design. In some cases, the darker bolts have a darker finish to them, and then the lighter bolts have kind of a lighter overlay to them. So you get lots of variation even within this collection with the light colors and the dark colors. And again, there are 80 colors of Rapture, and they were fun to look at, fun to stick the name tags on. So whatever you're looking for, you are going to find it here. Next up, we also have a few patterns as soon as you finish looking at the browns. We have a few new patterns in the shop I wanted to share. This one is called Rhythm and Blues by Auntie M's Quilts. Looks like it finishes at 62 by 70. The next one is called Hip Hop Skip. This would be a nice quick baby quilt. It would also be a nice quick incubator quilt, which we're going to be talking about in a few minutes. This next one's called Playful. That looks a lot like our Playful Minis quilt. Is that what that is? Let's see. Nope, that's a bigger one. So you've got some pretty little pinwheels in there. That would look nice in Christmas fabrics as well. And then this is one that Lori just found that is so adorable. Vintage play people. It looks just like those play school people that you played with when you were little, including even the dog. So that's going to be a pieced pattern, finishes 48 by 51. Next up, I just wanted to share, we are a part of Wake Med Hospital in Cary, has an incubator quilt program. And so babies that are born prematurely have the opportunity to receive quilts by people like you and me who create them for charity. And I'm upside down. And this is one of the quilts that just came in today to be donated to the Wake Med Cary Hospital's Incubator Quilts program. It was made by a previous staff member and friend of the shop named Nancy. And we just wanted to point out that this program is still going on. They do have a need for about 20 to 25 quilts per month, which we have actually been meeting. But they did go on a little bit of a break earlier this year during the beginning of the pandemic. And we just wanted to remind you that these quilts are being accepted, are being loved and appreciated by the Wake Med Cary Hospital's team. So if you're interested in learning more about the Incubator Quilts project, the basics are that it should be a 36-inch by 36-inch quilt, all cotton, including cotton batting and cotton thread, no flannel, no minky, because they do put them over the tops of the isolettes and they can't have foreign fibers that get into the ventilation systems of the isolettes. So if you want more information, I will be sure to post it on the comments on these videos. And we are happy to receive those from you. And Wake Med is super happy to give them to the families of these brand new tiny babies. So it's a great way to try out a new technique, try out a new pattern, try out some free motion quilting on your own at home, or something to do with leftover blocks that you may have sitting around and you're not really sure how you're going to finish them. So anyway, a good idea for a week of being thankful. And we will see you back here tomorrow with even more new fabric and more new things to keep you busy. Have a great afternoon.